most spectacular time in our life. And I want to thank St. James. At the time, I didn't think it was so great. Because I didn't like the moms, they were so strict. But now I look back and I think, oh my God, they taught us a lot of stuff. And I want to thank everybody